Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about this camera that I installed in my living room so I could see the patio in my house. But at the beginning I wasn't really happy with it because of the location where I put it. So I decided to move it and put it outside in the patio. So I'm gonna show you this video so you can see and understand what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's take a look. Alright, let me show you where I had the camera before. This is the sliding door, and you can see that bracket right there. That's where I put my camera so I could see the patio. And this is why it didn't work very well, this location. Alright, this is another reason why I didn't like this location, because sometimes we open the screen door, we'll go over the camera and will block the vision of the patio. I don't like it at all. Okay, this is another reason why I didn't like this location. You can see my reflection on the right corner of the video. You can see me moving around when I close the screen door. Alright, it's getting almost dark and you can see the reflection of the lamp on the sliding door. It's not very good. Okay, so now you know why that location didn't work very well for me. So on the next video, I'm gonna show you the new location and see how the video quality improved having the camera outside in the patio. Let's take a look. This is where I installed the camera. It was very easy. There is a metal plate right there, so I didn't have to do anything because the camera comes with a magnet. So I'm very happy with this new location, and I can get a very good view of my patio. Okay, as you can see, the camera is right there, over there on the wall. It's not too bad. Now let me show you what the camera can record in daylight. I think it's very good. As you can see, it shows almost the entire patio. And, well, that's what I wanted. Yeah, no reflections of anything on the window or anything like that like I had before. I'm really happy with this new location. As you know, the camera will start recording when it detects some movement in the nearby location. As you can see here, how the camera detects that movement of the guy cutting the grass. I think it's working very good. I'm really happy with it. Now let me show you what kind of video I get in nighttime. As you can see, the infrared light is working very good. The picture quality is amazing. So another reason why I like the camera outside is because I can record sound. I can use my phone and I can make a call and talk to the person that is in the patio, or I can just take a picture and record a video. So I really like it. Well, I think this video is done, and I hope this new video will help you to decide where to install your camera. I'm really happy with this video camera. Well, actually a webcam, because you can see footage from anywhere you are using your smartphone. And well, I know you can learn more about this camera from another videos, but basically I just wanted to show you why I moved my camera from one location to another. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell so you get new notifications of the videos that I will upload in the future. You don't want to miss any of them. Thank you, and I see you the next time. Bye bye.